So guys, this is a airdrop sponsored by Bybit, which Bybit themselves brought out on Telegram. So you guys can see Bybit to Web3, and this is how the tax go. You just have to launch the game. Once you launch the game, you are going to have to play it for, let's see, I think 1 minute. You have to dodge all the obstacles that are going to be falling. This is because of my bad network. Let's wait. So you guys can see I have 1 minute to stay alive without hitting any of these obstacles. So I just have to dodge it, and I have to go and hit the gift box. So when I hit the gift box, it's going to give me additional 50 points. So you guys see I keep dodging, and you guys see the points keep increasing. And I think on a daily basis you are going to be giving 6 tickets. So it depends on you if you want to play the ticket or if you don't want to play the ticket, but it is very advisable to play the ticket, so you are going to have more points. But the moment I hit any of these obstacle that is falling, is going to be a game over. So here it is. I did not hit any obstacle for 1 minute, and you guys can see my point. Instead of I have 5 points left. So since I'm not playing, I just have to press back, and I have to claim my point. This point is one that is going to be mining itself when you are offline. So and you can see you can press launch to farm, and it's going to mine for you while you are offline the game. You see, every 3 hours come and check it. Then you can connect your wallet here. You have to connect your wallet. You have to connect by mini Bybit or connect by Bybit app. So I haven't downloaded the mini app. I just have to connect by my Bybit app on the Web3 page. So once you connect your wallet, you are good to go. Also, you have to come here to tax and do all the tasks that are here to earn more points. So this is just the latest Bybit update on the airdrop on Telegram Web3 stuff. So